Hello everyone, this is Vistra with Paper Seasoning and I'm back. I have a small haul video to share with you. Now I ordered these from OfficeSupply.com because they had a coupon and I think it was like $15 off of 50 or something like that. Well, anyway, it was a good deal and I love a coupon. Now, everyone, I've seen a lot of you have this, and I did not have it, and it seems to work really well. I was disappointed that this is how the box arrived, and see, oh my goodness, look at this. They put tape on here to close it up, so obviously, if it's damaged, I might have to send it back. But you see that little piece of tape that they stuck on there just to make sure that it was closed? Well, let's see. Let me see if I can get into this box and see what's going on here. Somebody might have returned this. Wow, it takes a lot of instructions to use this. I didn't realize it was so complicated. Wow, I think I might stick with the glue stick. Well, it says advanced tape. I didn't realize this thing was huge. This is huge. I did not. Well, you'll know if you see me using it in my videos. You'll see me. You probably see it on my shelf. Well, they sent some tape, and I ordered some more tape just in case. And we're just gonna push that big bazooka gun to the side because this is absolutely huge. Look at this. This is my hand. This is huge. Okay, now what I am excited about, I have this. It's translucent vellum that I ordered from them as well. And like I say, it was OfficeSupply.com. Let's see. Let me tear into this and see what this is. Nice. I like. And you can see how transparent. Let me see. I have a journal card. And that is how it looks underneath. So I'm pleased with this translucent paper. I had some projects intended for that. Let me show you something. I made these little frames, and on the back I intended to score this part and kind of put it in my journal like this so it would flip, and I wanted to put a translucent piece underneath and maybe put something in there, or maybe just have a pocket, do some pockets, envelopes and things. And I will probably do a video showing that. Now, the next thing I promise you, I did not know what I was purchasing when I purchased this, but I'm finna open it and try it out, and let's see. This is, now it says it's embossable window plastic. I'm going to see what kind of embossing it does. Let me see if I can find my embossing machine. I should have done this beforehand, but I really wasn't thinking about, and this, I rarely emboss because this machine is so big, and I just don't bother to take it out. So let's see if we can get this done here. Because I really want to know how it embossed. Okay, I do have some embossing items, which is not a lot. Oh, let's try this one. And I don't use, like I said, I don't use this. And so I really don't know how this thing works. But we're going to try something here. So I'm going to put it in there. And then I'm going to read how to use this. And it looks like I need inklets and this one. So I'll need to pick it up like this and send it through somehow. Oh my goodness, I'm hitting my machine. Oh my. All right, so okay, so I think it works like this, and I put this there and this on top, and we're going to send it through here. Okay. All right, here it comes. Oh, it's cute. That is cute. I like it. And to put it in a frame or something, that is gorgeous. I really like that. Okay, so it worked out. So let's put this machine up, because like I said, I don't use this thing. It's so big. I think I need a smaller one. I don't know why I got such a big one. And I think they make smaller ones now. Okay, so I do like this, so that you can see it very well, how it came out, how it turned out. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed my short haul, and if you have some ideas of what to do with these types of papers and things, or if you have one of these monster guns, please comment below on how well you like it and let me know. Till next time, bye bye.